Welcome to Bit and Byte. My name is Anupras Gautam and it is our today's topic, that is IPv6. It is called Internet Protocol version 6. It is a superior version of Internet Protocol version 4 that I discussed with you yesterday. And as you are already familiar with the IP addresses, means that these are such type of addresses by which the IoT devices and technical devices are communicating with each other on the internet. It is a superior version of internet protocol in which the address is 128-bit long compared to its previous version, that was IPv4, in which the address was just 32-bit long. And as I said earlier that there were only 4.3 billion addresses possible, that was much smaller, and due to the less scope we headed towards the IPv6 that has 128 bit, means that there are 34 into 10 to the power 7 addresses that are nearly infinity and will not run out in the near future. So as I just said you that there are 128 bits in the each address containing the 8 groups, means that the each address is divided into the 8 groups, and each group has 4 digits. These digits are nothing but the in the hexadecimal format, and in the hexadecimal format the digit takes 4 bit, means that 8 groups are there in the whole address, and each group contains 4 hexadecimal digits, and each digit has 4 bit to represent it in the binary form. Then there would be the 128 bits. And if we check the possible amounts of addresses in the IPv6, then it would be around 34 into 10 to the power 27 addresses. So it is a very huge scope for the addresses, and it is an example of the IPv6. Here, as you can already see that the groups in this address are basically divided with the help of colons rather than period, that is called dot, that was used in the IPv4. And here the another thing is that we can actually compress this address by omitting the zeros and the groups that contain nothing but the zeros. So these were the IPv6 address. And if we talk about its advantages, then as you already got familiar with the scope of this, it has very huge scope. Second one is that it has the inbuilt security and communication protocols. It has some inbuilt authorization and authentication systems that makes it different and better from its prior version, that was IPv4. Thank you very much. And if you have any kind of question or queries, you can comment down below. Thank you.